I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the basics: business manager, admin rights, and website access. Now create a pixel, open business settings, go to data sources, pick pixels, and click create. Name the pixel with your site or campaign label so it's identifiable later. This helps reporting. Once created, note the pixel ID and choose Setup method. Use the easy install code manually or the CMS integration. Make sure to stay in this screen. You'll copy code next to add to your site. Your past creation, now place the code. If you edit HTML, paste the base pixel snippet into the head on every page before the closing tag, then save. If you use WordPress or Shopify, install the official Meta Pixel app or a plugin and enter the pixel ID. This automates placement. If you prefer Google Tag Manager, create a tag with the pixel script and set an all pages trigger. Once installed, observe the pixel status in Events Manager to confirm activity. Finish by verifying the pixel works. Use the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension to see hits and errors as you load pages. Then open Events Manager to watch incoming events. Allow up to 20 minutes for first signals. If events fail, make sure the pixel ID matches exactly. Clear any site cache or CDN, and disable conflicting plugins temporarily. One key troubleshooting tip: check for duplicate pixels or header injection by themes, because double firing or missing headers is the most common issue and is easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.